Now visuals on your screen in just about a minute are from Kolkata. A fire has been reported in Kolkata in a hotel. My colleague Manogya is joining us to give us more details on this. Manogya, take us through it.
Devinay, fire in Golden Park Hotel located near Ho Chi Minh Sarani in Kolkata, one of the most busiest areas of the city. The fire took place in the kitchen of the hotel where more than 29 rooms were occupied but have been evacuated completely. The hotel has been evacuated using ladders and various machines. What is more important is that these people had been shifted to private and of course government hospitals also. 2 people were seriously injured. It is yet to be confirmed that they have been extremely seriously injured. And the fact that they might have also lost their lives in the fire because of this injury. The fact that there are reports coming in that there was not enough fire equipment or the firefighting measures that should be there in the hotel, that is also being confirmed.
All right, Manogya, has the fire been doused? And also, what are the initial leads suggesting what led to the fire?
The fire has been doused, and the initial reason is expected to be the kitchen. It could be a short circuit, or it could be the fire in the kitchen from the gas or other equipment kept there. But that is yet to be ascertained. What is more important is that 2 people have lost their lives in this fire, and this has become extremely serious. Remember, Mamata Banerjee government has still now taken action against only the hospitals where we've seen loss of lives. But now, for the first time, a hotel where not enough measures have been taken has been reported to have claimed 2 lives in a fire. That again raises the question of the entire sanctity of the measures used for controlling the fire at various places.
Right, Manogya, thanks for joining us. 2 seriously injured in Kolkata fire. Getting more details on this. For now, getting more news.